Okay. um. So it's building a Bahamian pig farm, South Andros Bahamas. Yeah. Now I was trying to build a wall to to start for my pigs to do a pig pen. But um, I don't really know how to build a rock wall, so I'd fail miserably. I gotta find a one guy to teach me that skill, and then I could get back to that. But for now, I fail miserably. So I got a big casuarina tree in my yard. I cut it down. I lost the video. I find it. I'll post it. Um, I use that to build my pen. Right now, I gonna cook some food for my pigs. This due to coronavirus, the I forget what the name is. The exchange people, I guess. The people who sell the pig feed in the Bahamas, they don't have any. Um, yeah, so I cooking food for my pigs now. It's either a mixture of rice, grits, coconuts, whatever other stuff I can find, and or kitchen scraps and stuff like that too. Yeah. So I lighten a fire to get the pot going. It's raining a lot lately, so the stuff fell down. Ugh. Uh, what I started doing is using the cedar. I got down the cedar tree, and they started using it to put down posts on my big band now. And because you live in the Bahamas and a lot of ground is limestone, um, to make it good for me because you have plenty of holes. It's called them potholes. And I could plant posts in them. So like this one is the first one I got down. It was the first one I cut off. This is the biggest one. This one is hard to get over here. But a nice hole, and once I put some cement in there, it'll be solid. But it mostly standing up. So I decided to come over here and put the big pen instead. So they got a nice size something started set up, and dig out little spots in the ground. This one I couldn't really find a hole to sink it in. I may put another one in here or whatever. So this is what I down to for my pen. I got an old roof I collected from an old church that was being was changing the roof. So I tell the guys to drop the roof in my yard. It was a little easier for them than carrying it to the dump. A little closer. So yeah. So I get the 2x6 and stuff from. And the casuarinas from the tree I cut down, the cedar tree. Casuarina wood, good hard wood. I have to paint them with oil as time go on, so the termites don't take them, because the termites take them after a while. But once I paint them with oil, I should be able to keep them for a good long time. And I'm not really sure how much space this is in there. Mango, still mango season. Yeah, be lazy. You're supposed to pick them up and choose them, but lazy. Back to this. Yeah, I ain't sure how big this is, but this is a good size pen. So I got the billet because cheap. The only thing I buy for this is nail. So yeah, this is It's a good from scratch pen. Cheap. Big, good work to put together, but inexpensive. Over here is where we kind of trying to create ground because, like I say, we have a lot of limestone. So everywhere is rocks. So we're trying to be able to get these rocks to cover so we could um, be able to cut this or plant on it or whatever, build up the ground. And you gotta make a dump run so to get rid of the all the stuff there. So this could be the door area. Put a nice big post here and attach it to the tree. Oh yeah, trees and wood, trees and cedar and 2x6 and the old roof is what I use. It's another big piece that I got. And these big pieces I actually wrote these here by myself, but I had some help with the construction. My mommy and my girlfriend, they come out and they give me a lot of help. Angle is good. So yeah, that's where we are. The only thing I can do is I can use the smaller pieces of the tree that I cut down, and I go weave them through to finish make the barrier for the pen, so the pigs can't get out. And if this successful, then I'll do it with goat and sheep too. Just fence in big areas, so some pieces of the Carona. That's where I got it from. Kinda tall though. I was gonna cut that side, but two ends done. This kind of the never wire and two. Now I at first I was trying to kill this, but now I might let it grow so I could be getting my free lumber to build pans. So I don't know. Well, you gotta go back in the rock here, cause I'm cooking the big food. Mess up my shirt. Alright, so that's all for now. Oh, my piglet, I get her. She's come to her name. She's come when you call her now. She learned her name. Biggity. I get her weaned off her breast. You have a pen, you can go in and out, and she basically eat all day. You just struck at that pen and she'd be free to roam. She don't go to the front of the yard. She's mostly stay in the back. And just stay in the back by the pig pen as long as ain't no one outside. But as long as someone from the yard outside, she'd come outside. I go out in the front. She biggity. She get biggity fast. Anyhow, that's all. So, we're going.